Welcome back again, guys. We're coming out with another drinks mix. This is your boy Jamaican Mixmaster coming with another hot video. It's called the Jungle Fever. This one, you have to stay tuned for this one. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back with it again. You know you're waiting for it, the Jungle Fever. You must be wondering why this drink is called a Jungle Fever. You will see for yourself. So what we're going to start with is some fresh raspberry. And we're going to mold it. So what we're going to do, we're going to build it like a mojito style. Now we have a different kind of berry, blackberry. So we're going to put them together. And guys, this is something you have to try for yourself. We're going to add a little bit of Elijah Craig bourbon to it. Just a small amount, not a lot, just to give it that nice flavor. So you got 1 ounce. Also, we had some coconut rum as well, Cocoa Maniac. Still 1 ounce. And we had in some cherry syrup. Some people might call it grenadine, but it's cherry syrup. Just a little bit. You don't have to measure this one, but you just put a splash to it. There we go. And then we're going to mold it. You have a molar, so you can just mold it in. All molded out. Alright. So to make it very interesting, we put in a little bit of blackberry. This is a blackberry liqueur. You could use any kind of blackberry you want to use. Chambord, or you can just add some blackberry liqueur. That's just for flavoring. While you do that, you just mix it in. So you had a little bit of jungleness to it. I'm going to have a small taste of it. Oh my God. This is something that's different. I hope you want to try this one day for yourself. Then we're going to have some tropical rhythm. You can have some mango carrot, or you could have pineapple, but I'd rather have a little bit of mango carrot in it. And meanwhile, you're stirring it. See that? The color, it looks so junglish. So what I'm going to do is going to give it a nice shake. So this is a different way, a method of you can do it like that. You crush, then you shake. Alright guys, I think this is ready. So, amazing. Remember the ingredients. Elijah Craig. Any kind of bourbon of your choice. Half a shot. Coconut rum. Blackberry liqueur. And a little bit of grenadine or cherry syrup. And any kind of juice of your choice, but I go with the mango because it is very good. Not to mention the main key ingredients, raspberry and blackberry. Alright guys, so here we have it. We're going to go to the display, so stay tuned for it. we come to the end of this video. Now you see why we call it the jungle fever. It has a little bit of jungle background in it and a jungle juice style with a jungle mix. All right, guys, so stay tuned. We're coming out next week with another cracker. So this is the Valentine drink. Yeah, next week for the Valentine special. So stay tuned, guys. Next week, we're out.